Welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is Limbi Empire. So if it's your first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if it's not your first time, you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you. Okay, let's all just do the good stuff that we do on this channel, which is like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, and turn on your notification to know whenever I post a new video. Okay, so today I'm just going to give you guys like basic things that you really need in your makeup set as a beginner. Okay, you don't need to like own the whole makeup box. The essential things you really need as a beginner, I'm going to tell you the tips and tricks and the important things you need to have as a beginner. Okay, so let's get right into the video. First on my list is to get a moisturizer. Yes, a moisturizer is very important. It helps to, prepare your skin to absorb those makeup products you're going to use on your skin, especially if you're somebody that have dry skin and you just want an even tone, smooth, succulent makeup look. You need to get a moisturizer. You need to moisturize your skin. Okay, so a moisturizer is very necessary. I'm going to leave pictures and prices of higher and cheaper moisturizers or cheaper products for you. So as you're learning and jotting them down, you're also writing down the important and affordable ones you can get around your area. Okay, this is a face primer. Why do you need a face primer? You don't want your makeup to start breaking out when you go out. You don't want to sweat and then your makeup is, breaking and is looking all ugly and stuff. So you need a face primer. Aside the moisturizer, is a face primer helps to lock in those moisture, those oil, those T-zones that are oily. It just helps to lock them in, and why you really need a face primer. Okay, so I'm going to leave pictures and prices of them in the screen for you. Okay, so a face primer is very important, and you don't need to add like too much face primer on your skin before doing your makeup. Okay, so the next on my list is a foundation. Now let me tell you how to know your foundation. You need to like match your foundation, test it on your chest and your neck down to your face. If it matches these three areas, then it is your perfect complexion. But if your foundation doesn't match your chest and your face, then please, it's not a good foundation for you. Like, just to check your foundation is from your chest upwards, because sometimes some persons, their neck is darker than their chest and their face. Okay, so test it on your chest first and then your face. Let it be a little bit like, closer. Let it be closer to your skin, so that as you apply and add your concealer and everything, they will all marinate together. Okay, so the best place to check your foundation is your neck down to your face. Let everything just blend together. Okay, so that's the perfect place to check. So you need a good foundation for your skin. You need a if you're somebody that has oily skin, you need an oil free foundation. Like me, I have oily skin and I use oil free foundation. You can see that my face nowhere is looking ugly right now. Okay, so you need a foundation that doesn't have oil in it. If you have dry skin, then you need oil, a foundation that contains oil, okay, in it. But if you have oily skin, you just need a foundation that will sit in your skin, that has water, that will just suit your skin and just stay there, instead of to start a foundation that will start producing oil and stuff. So if you're dry skin, you need to use a foundation that has oil, and if you're somebody that has oily skin, you need a foundation that is oil free. Okay, so the next one on my list, you need to get a translucent powder. Yes, this is a powder you use after applying your concealer. That should be our next point, but let me just talk about it now. So you need a translucent powder, a powder that when you apply it to those areas that has concealer, they won't show like different color. Instead, they will just melt into the skin. That's why you need a translucent powder. A translucent powder is a powder that it might be colored, but when you put it in your skin and those area, it will just lap and sink into the skin and melt together with the skin, so it won't show that particular color. Okay, that's what we call a translucent powder. All right, so you need a concealer. Now, a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your complexion or 1 shade lighter than your complexion, depends on the look you're going for. Sometimes I use, like for this look, I use a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than my complexion, and it's still looking like it's my complexion, though it's the way I mixed it, because I mixed the one that is my perfect complexion for this area then I use the one that is 2 shades lighter than my complexion for my teardrop areas, so to make it brighter a little. So you need a concealer that is 2 shades brighter than your complexion. And for me, I will say the best concealer for you to use as a beginner is the LA Girl concealer. That is the perfect one. You can get for 500, you can get for 1000, depends on your area, because our destinations affect prices as well. Okay, so depends on your area. So if you're living in GRA, definitely you know that your price is going to be higher than people that live in town and normal areas. Okay, yeah, so you need to start using LA Girl. It is very good. It has the highest quality for a beginner product that is cheap and affordable. Don't go for anyone, just go for LA Girl. It is the perfect concealer for you as a beginner. Okay, so the next on our list is your general setting powder. This powder right now is not a translucent powder. It's just a powder that is your color and is warm. A powder that is warm and is your color. Okay, when I'm saying warm, I mean a powder that is your color, that calms your skin tone. You can't be using, not after applying like a light concealer and then you now use white or light and sharp general setting powder on your skin. No, you need a warm setting powder, like general powder on your skin to set everything together. Do you get? After your last setting spray application. So if you need a detailed video of these tips, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to do it for you guys. Something that I don't do without, even if I'm not doing makeup or anything, I don't allow it to like finish from my makeup kit. Yes, and this is none other makeup item or product than mascara. Yes, I shocked you, right? Mascara is very important to me. It is very important even in your makeup. You might do your makeup and all, and if you don't have lashes to apply, and if your lashes are long or not that long, you can do your false lashes using your mascara. Like you can make your natural lashes longer even with your mascara. I know how to do that, and that's why I tell you that it is the most important item in my makeup kit. Yeah, and I'm going to list the things I use for this makeup, just to achieve this makeup, and trust me, you're going to be shocked. Okay, so you need a mascara. It is very compulsory. Even when you are applying your false lashes, it is very important you use your mascara on your natural lash before placing it. That help the colors and the gum to just blend in and everything will look smooth. But when you don't apply mascara before putting your false lashes, it's definitely going to look wrong. Okay, especially for people that have coily lashes. So you need to have a mascara in your makeup kit. I don't miss this at all in my makeup kit, and it is none other than your eyeliner. Yes, I use Huda Beauty eyeliner. Yes, and it's perfect. They are 2-in-1 eyeliner. It has this star design, but I didn't use it on today's makeup. It has a star design, and then the sharp side is just like a marker but with a sharper tip, and then the smell is just nice. I know it's weird, but you need an eyeliner in your makeup kit. Can you see? Even without lashes, it just elevates my makeup. So you need an eyeliner in your makeup kit. In case you don't know, I am telling you now, you need an eyeliner, especially if you are a girl that like natural looks and stuff. You just need it, like a tiny bit of it, to give it that cat eyes, and then your lip gloss, and you're good to go. Okay, so eyeliner is one of the important things you need in your makeup kit. The next one is a nude eyeshadow palette. Yes, as a beginner, you don't need to start with sharp eyeshadow, sharp palette, orange color, yellow, blue. No, 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 no. Calm down, calm down, calm down. You need a nude. Look at it, you need a nude palette. Why I say nude palette is it just helps everything look nude. Is classy, trust me. You need a nude palette, and you can just use 2 different colors and you get a perfect look. So a nude palette is just the safest for you as a beginner. It's just the safest palette for you to use. Then if you've started extending and exceeding your beginner's level, then you can try out new palette. But as a beginner, trust me, you need just a nude palette, and that will be all for you with your eyeliner, your mascara, and your perfect foundation that suits your skin and sits in perfectly. You're good to go. Okay, and then you need a nude gloss and a plain gloss. You need plain gloss and nude lip gloss. I'm not saying lipstick, those lip gloss that are nude that you can just apply, line your lip, and you're good to go. So you need a nude gloss. Okay, as a beginner, trust me, take it or leave it, you need a nude gloss. Nude actually just elevates your makeup, like it takes you to that not too much but perfect and classy kind of level. That nude makeup in your kit. And the list here is setting spray. You need a good setting spray. You need a good setting spray to lock all the makeup in, to just marry everything together. And after applying your setting spray, just use your general setting powder to touch up and then set again. Your makeup will not go anywhere. Trust me, if you're a worker, if you're somebody that goes out, go to work and come back, your makeup is not going to move. Trust me, if you do this makeup, spray your face after even putting your primer and stuff, still set your face, allow it to dry a little, then start your application of makeup, and after, spray again, do your general touching and spray. Trust me, your makeup is not going to move. I set my face 3 times when I do my makeup and it doesn't move. All I have to do is just touch up with my normal powder foam or whatever they call it. I just touch my makeup up and I'm good to go. Okay, so these are the very important things you need as a beginner. You don't need to break a bank. And one secret I would tell you is this: come closer. Do not use your beauty blender to drag your foundation. You dab. Okay, you dab. That's the best way to get the best out of your foundation, to get the best application, to get the best look, the flawless look you're looking for. You just need to dab it in. You don't need to drag. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment sections. If you have video recommendations for me, please leave them in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Okay guys, let's take this family to the next level. Okay, thank you guys so much for supporting. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video.